Usually, in our day-to-day, not only TPMs, but all technology workers are faced with the challenge of creating new processes, designing complex systems, and ultimately documenting them. The challenge goes beyond the detail level we want to provide, but in making this documentation useful. The greater the complexity in a design, or the more parties involved in a process, the longer the documentation that has to be produced to fully capture and understand them. Even when crystal clear clarity is provided through extensive documentation and minute details have been captured, we need something else to guarantee adoption. Documentation length is usually inversely proportional to readability. Or simply put, our intended readers don't have enough time in order to skim through our essays on technical features and processes. This could possibly end up causing things like no one reads our documents, processes with poor adoption because who is going to read that damn 20-page document to skim out what they are supposed to be doing? Designs or documentation won't be used. Don't take my ideas in the wrong way. There might be people that appreciate that kind of documentation or situations that require that level of detail. Don't worry, there is a solution here. Split the audience associated to your document or process in groups, taking into account the level of information they should receive and the actions they have to take. And create several versions of the document in which you will skim out the unnecessary information for each group, leaving only the absolutely relevant points for them. Or just, in a few words, cheat sheet the hell out of that long document. You are going to get so many benefits, like you will facilitate reading, you will increase adoption of your process, you will increase the amount of feedback that you will receive on that document, and once people read their cheat sheets, they might be interested in knowing more and end up using the long document. Yes, I hear you. That is more work for you. Keeping the cheat sheets and the long document synchronized is going to take some time and work, but after the documentation is stable, the amount of work should be considerably less. I can give you some recommendations here, like summarize the key aspects of the original document into 3 pages, no more than that, so meaning that each cheat sheet should be no longer than 3 pages. Use to your advantage the intended audience, meaning you can put together a cheat sheet for each team, focusing only on what they need to know about the process and the hook points to other teams. Use the cheat sheets to get quick feedback that you can translate into the original document. Link the cheat sheets to the original document and the other way around as well, so people have quick access to all the versions.